Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got another swatch and haul video for you, for those of you that enjoy this sort of thing. I did recently get in on Bases Loaded Lacquer's 5th anniversary specials. She had a sale going on in conjunction with her anniversary, and congratulations Bases Loaded Lacquer for 5 wonderful years. So I'm going to start off with the quad first, and once again, you guys just know I'm a junkie for terrace polishes. So this first one is Creativity, purple. Looks a little blue on camera, but it's not. Here's the blue one. Sincerity. And then this gorgeous red is Passion. And then the green is Harmony. And while I was on there picking up the quad, I also jumped in on some of the specials and just looked around for anything that I didn't have. She does have a lot of small batch polishes on her website, and at the time she was having some specials for $5. Now I don't remember what was $5 and what was just on sale or what I just didn't have, but I got this one here, and it's called Up the Middle. I can't even describe that. It's almost like a deep eggplant color with gold glitters in it, and then it's also got some hollow. Oh, so pretty. Okay, I got a bunch, so I just need to keep moving. This is Rhythm and Blues. It's very smoky, dusty. Love, love that. And then this is Too Low, and this was August 2021's Rookie of the Month. And this is, if I already have it, I will put this one in my giveaway box, but I wasn't 100% sure, so I grabbed it. This is a really nice, this is Manicure Hands color. This is one of those that, oh, the nail art possibilities are unreal. Next up, we've got Neon Snowballs. Isn't that pretty? I love that it's got some matte glitters and some metallic glitters in it. So cute. Next up, I thought I ordered like sage something, but this is called Nana's Favorite Easter Egg, and I think they might be the same polish, different names. They might have been in just small batches, but isn't that unusual? So I'm going to paint a nail with this, the Too Low, and black, and then put this over it when I do the swatching so that y'all can see, you know, see its gloriness on all of that. And the last one I got is called Monster Smash, and isn't that cute? Love it, love it. So I'm going to pop the lids off of all of these, and we're going to get busy swatching. Alrighty, so here we go. We're going to get started with Creativity, the lush purple. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so sparkly. Oh, it's got big glitters and little glitters and shimmers. Oh, I can't wait to see that one on the second coat. Next is Serenity. I think I'm going to love all of these. These are just perfect jewel tones for me. And they, with these pretty glitters and shimmers in it, I'm seeing so many pretty manicures coming with these in my head. How pretty. And the next one is Passion. You guys know I got a thing for these reds. I mean, I don't wear red as much as I should, but oh, I love them. Oh, and the formula seems to be just excellent with that. And then the next one is Harmony. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, Kaylila would love that one. Alright. And then the next one is Up the Middle. And this is like one of those unusual colors. Oh, but I'm really loving that. That gold popping off out of there. And there's like some micro blues or something popping too. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, next up is Rhythm and Blues. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. Ooh, that's like a princess blue. Makes me think of Cinderella. Oh, it's got so much bling, bling, bling going on in there. I'm hoping y'all can see that on camera. And then TTYL, which is the Rookie of the Month for August of this year. You know now. I love her creams. You guys, they level out so beautifully, and they water marble and stamp. Oh my goodness, look at that. And next into these little Crellies. This one's Neon Snowball. And this, I've moved the Crellies beside each other on the swatch wheel so that I can do that topper at the end. Look how cute. I love it. And they disperse so nicely. I'm not fishing around or, you know, having to move them manually. And then this is Monster Smash. Oh, how cool. Smash, right? Yes. I had it right. Alright, so this is TTYL. And this is on the black. And I'm going to use the topper, Nana's Favorite Easter Egg. I'm calling it a topper. I don't know what... we might swatch it on its own too. But look how pretty. And I love polishes like this that can just change depending on what you put it over. Oh, that's really pretty. It's kind of got a caramel vibe to it to me. Okay, and now over black. Ooh, see, look. Same polish. They look like totally different animals. Oh, goodness. Oh, that's just so cool looking. So wicked cool. Oh, yes. Okay, I am going to go ahead and just do it over a swatch, just on its own. That is so pretty. So this is Nana's Favorite Easter Egg. Alright, I'm going to get everything geared up, and we're going to do a second coat of everything. Alrighty, so back to creativity. Oh, yeah. Oh, how pretty. I love jewel tone polishes. They just make my heart happy. Put a smile on my face. And, you know, I don't know about y'all, but, you know, I'm sick of the heat, so seeing colors like this help me remember that fall is coming, cooler weather. And that's looking at way more blue on camera, but I promise it's purple. It's really, really purple. Purple, purple. And here we go with the blue that is Serenity. I mean, I know you can see the difference between them, but that is really purple. Showing up so much more blue. Alright, so here we go with the next one. Oh, that's so deep. That is just so deep. Serenity. And then we're going to go in with Passion. Oh, so nice. Glitter Yum. And then Harmony. I love this one too. I love all of them because I'm a polish lover. It's going to have to be other words. I'm going to have to come up with some other words besides pretty and fantastic and oh, and that's gorgeous. Alrighty, so next we're going to head on to Up the Middle. Ready to see what this one looks like with that second coat. Wow, that's really unusual. It's got like a green flash in it or something. It's catching my eye. I hope y'all can see that. Alrighty, next up we've got Rhythm and Blues. Very, very nice. That's so nice. It's like opal. I love polishes like this. Yeah. And then this one really doesn't need a second coat, but I'm going to do it, and it's TTYL. Just because, you know, that's what I would do on my nails, so that's what I'm going to do right here. Very nice. And then Neon Snowball. I'm glad I finally got into Crellies and jellies and all these, you know, Crelly mixes. To me, they're just Well, they're fun because I didn't get on the train when it first came around, so now I'm really enjoying this stuff. And here we go with Monster Smash. That's going to be so fun for Halloween. With that light background, you'll be able to stamp all kind of cool stuff on it. And all those cool Halloween glitters. Alrighty, and then we're back to Nana's favorite Easter egg. And this one's over Toulouse. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm not a big baseball fan. Tara, don't strike me down, okay? I'm sorry. I'm not. Too low? Is that right? I don't know. And here we go with the black. Over the black. On the black. I mean, it just blows my mind that those are the same two polishes and they look so different. Same polishes and just the background changes them. And there we go. We've gotten through the swatch part of it. I am going to let these dry down a little bit. I'm going to put some top coat on them and come back and show you. Okie dokie pokey. I'm back. These are top coated with Seche Vite. And I wanted to just run through them real quick. This purple one is Creativity. The blue is Serenity. The next one is the red one, and that's Passion. And then we have Harmony, and that is the quad for the 5th year anniversary. And then next up we have Up the Middle. Look at that. I love it. And then we have Rhythm and Blues. Very pretty. And then we got Too Low. So look at that. I'm telling you, all kinds of thoughts in my head. And then we have Neon Snowballs. Very cute. And then we have Monster Smash. And then Nana's favorite Easter egg over Toulouse. Or Toulouse. Toulouse. And then that same one over Bases Loaded's on the black. Now it's only showing up green here, but I'm seeing a lot of like purple, like a deep eggplant purple. I don't know if y'all are going to be able to see it. I am so trying to get it. You might can see it like on the sides. And then here it is on its own. So there you have it. Those are the swatches for the haul that I made here with Bases Loaded Lacquer. And if you're interested, you can go to her site. I'll have a link for her down below if you'd like to go check these out, see what else she's got, because there's all kinds of surprises on her storefront all the time. Every time I go, I find stuff, and I'm like, oh, wait a minute, I need that. So there you have it, sports fans, nail polish fans. That is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. And until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.